In this tutorial, we will discuss fade and dissolve transitions. Click Video Editing. Firstly, load 3 videos. Go to Menu Add, and then click Movie. Click the folder that contains 3 movies. Double-click Video 1. Zoom out by scrolling, mouse middle button down. Move by dragging the scroll bar, with holding the mouse left button. Click the triangle in end of the video. The number is 300. Change the current frame number to 301. Then load the second video. The number is 600. Change the current frame number to 601. Load the third video. Move the third video, and overlap over the second video, and then release the button. The number is 900. To show 3 transitions, let us set the end frame number of 3000. Let's check the case without any transitions. Without any transitions, the change is unexpected to the audience. Let us duplicate 3 videos. To add fade in and out effects, select 3 videos, by holding mouse left button and move, until 3 are included. To duplicate 3 videos, press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+P. Move 3 duplicated videos, and splice them. Overlap new videos over original videos, and then release the button. Select the first video by clicking. Go to Menu Add. Click Fade. Click Fade Out. Select the second video by clicking. Go to Menu Add. Click Fade. Click Fade In and Out. Select the third video by clicking. Go to Menu Add. Click Fade. Click Fade In. Move the current frame on the first video. Play. Fade out. Fade in. There is a black screen in the middle. The second one. To avoid the black screen, let build a dissolve transition. Select 3 videos. Move. Splice. Zoom in and out, and move to find a comfortable position. Repeat the previous actions, that is, fade out the first video, fade in and out the second, and fade in the third. There is a timeline panel below the sequencer panel. Select the first movie, move the mouse until the mouse becomes an up-down arrow. Hold the mouse left button, and drag upward. The timeline panel is shown. Zoom out the line panel by scrolling mouse middle button down. When you see 2 diamonds, stop zooming out, and adjust a little bit. Move the current frame to the first diamond. This is the position where fade out starts for the first movie. Zoom in order to observe clearly. Click the second video. There are 4 diamonds. The first 2 are the range of fade in for the second video. The second 2 are the range of fade out for the second video. The length of all fade in and fade out are the same. Move the second video to the position of the current frame. Now, the fade out of the first video should exactly overlap with the fade in of the second video. Let us move the current frame to the third diamond, which is the beginning of the fade out for the second video. Move the third video to the position of the current frame. Now, the fade out and fade in exactly overlap, because their length are the same. Move the current frame to the first video. Play. Now, the transition is very smooth. There is no black screen in the middle. Thanks for taking time to watch this topic. If you do like my channel, X Science, please subscribe, comment, and share the videos to your friends. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.